Okay, the contingency sample is down and it's up sample. Like it's a little difficult to dig through the initial crust.
Very interesting. It's a very soft surface, but here and there where I plug with the contingency sample collector, I run into very hard surface, but it appears to be very cohesive material of the same sort. I'll try to get a rock in here. Just a couple.
Oh, that looks beautiful from here, Neil.
It has a stark beauty all its own. It's like much of the high desert of the United States. It's different, but it's very pretty out here. We advise that a lot of the rock samples out here, the hard rock samples, have what appear to be vesicles in the surface. Also, I'm looking at one now that appears to have some sort of phenocryst.
Houston, roger out.
Okay, the handle is off the it pushes in about 6 to 8 inches into the surface. Like it's pretty easy to
It is. It's I'm sure I could push it in farther, but it's hard for me to bend down farther than that.
Didn't know you could throw so
You
far.
can really throw things a long way up here. My pocket open, but
Yes, it is. It's not up against your suit, though. Hit it back once more. More toward the inside. Okay, that's good.
that in the pocket?
Yeah, push down. Got it? No, it's not all the way in. Push it. There you go.
Contingency sample is in the pocket. My oxygen is 81%. I have no flags, and I'm in minimum